Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a review of the Yayoi Kusama Speedy 20. The perfume of the day is Chance by Chanel. This is a very feminine perfume. I love this perfume. It is almost finished. I need to get another bottle. The top notes are pink pepper, jasmine and patchouli. It's a unique combination that's just the right amount of sweet and musky. A quick outfit of the day. This top is from COS. This is LV. This is from Gap. It's very comfortable. And my shoes are Coach. This is Speedy 20. Today we are going to talk about Kusama 2023. This is the dust bag. And this is the Speedy 20. There are orange pumpkins and these are the blue and greenish pumpkins. The design extends little bit this side. There is no feet as in all Speedies. This is vachetta leather, this is raw leather and this is like untreated leather. So it develops a patina over time and it develops a honey golden color. So this is the first bag. Louis Vuitton started its whole story. This is a Boston style bag, meaning a travel bag, but this size is new and it is good for everyday use. This you can lock these also. They have given a lock and a key. This is the dust bag for the lock and key. It is written Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama 2023. As we all know, Kusama is a Japanese artist. She is 93 years old, and in the first drop, they have given dots all over the bags, and this is the second drop with pumpkins. This is the key. It's a golden color. It has two keys and the lock with LV written on it. So it's a functional one. This is the adjustable strap which comes with this. It has 4 holes, so you can adjust it according to your height, and these are the rings to attach it to the D-rings. I have taken a charm to go with this. Just to highlight, the orange side of the bag is the correct side, so that side you can see the LV written correctly, and the blue side is the reverse side, so you can see the LV in reverse. This is because there's a single canvas going all over the bag. So it looks like this. So this is a complete one interior, and this is fabric lined. I love the lining inside. It has one pocket. You can keep your cash, card or anything, and this is quite good space inside for everyday. This is my Fendi glasses, Dior lipstick, car keys, card holder, Saint Laurent, LV Victorine wallet in damier ebene. This is a good wallet. So everything fits in this. And lastly, phone. And still there is a lot of space left. It zips comfortably. The canvas is very sturdy. You can use it as a travel bag, everyday bag. The only thing you should care about is this vachetta. It can stain easily with water, so you should tie a twilly. You can put a twilly on it, on both the handles, and carry it with the twilly if you want to safeguard it, because even the oil of your hand can get onto it and there can be stains. So it's a very good size for every day. You can carry it with the strap. It's very versatile. You can carry it with the strap, or you can carry it with your hand or crossbody. I will show you some mod shots, and I have used this bag before 1 or 2 times, so I will put up some pictures and you can have a look. So you can carry it over your shoulder. You can turn it. You can use the orange side if that matches with your dress, or you can use the blue side, so that is also good. You can wear it accordingly. You can wear it crossbody. It goes very well, as this is LV canvas. It goes on almost everything, which is like solid colors, jeans, or you can carry it with the hand. This is a good everyday size. They have also released this size, and nano Speedy also we have now for every day. And the next size is Speedy 25, and that is good as hand luggage, and or if you want to put more things, or a baby bag, diaper bag, office bag. So this LV canvas, because it is very sturdy, and you can be a bit carefree with this, except the vachetta part. This leather you have to be careful because it's untreated. I wanted to show you another option for the strap. This is the strap of the East-West pochette métis. So you can use it. It's good to use like this. The golden color matches with the hardware. If any of you have this bag, kindly comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this bag. How do you like it? Hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment below if you have this bag. Thank you for watching.